Hi, sir. Today, our group will have a presentation for manufacturing process. It's assignment manufacturing process. So this is our group member. Next. So for our group, we are doing the 3-piece food can. We have 9 process of manufacturing process and technology of process 3-piece food can. So first is slitting, the second is welding, number third is coating, number 4 is curing process. And for the process, number 5 is necking, number 6 is flanging, 7 is beading, 8 is seaming. The last process is air tester. So now is for the first process, slitting. The steel strip arrives at the can manufacturing plant in large coil. The steel strip is cut into large sheet and a coating is applied. Then, the large metal sheet is sheared according into rectangular plate, which depended on the can final dimension set by manufacturer or customer. So last is which cut the large metal sheet into can body blank. Now is the second process, welding. After the plate cutting in a small sheet, it will be rolled into a cylinder. Then continue with the welding process by welding machine. The welder will weld the edge by squeezing them together and simultaneously passing an electric current through them that hit the metal sufficiently for a joint to be done. So continue to the coating. Daniel will continue.
Okay, thank you, Yap. Now I will explain about coating. Lecture. The inside and outside of the weld seam of the body will spray with coating. Lecture. Lacquer processes are important to avoid corrosion and contaminants on the inside and outside of the container. The lacquer protects the metal from electrochemical reaction, which may result in corrosion or gas formation, shaping in the can. Furthermore, the coating protects the food from release of metal ions, which may cause sensory deterioration or even health-related concerns. Next, curing process. Curing process is the sprayer lacquer takes place in a large induction oven. Curing process is to dry the solvent and harden the lacquer. The heat generated in the induction heater depends on the specification and the range of the current set. And the last one for me is slaking process. After the curing process, lacquer can are transported to 3-in-1. Laking, flanging, and beading, sealed by the conveyor. The containers undergo laking, flanging, and beading process. Laking is done on the top edge of the can. The term laking is used in engineering and material science to describe the localized reduction of cross-sectional area of a specimen under a silo. Now I'll pass the presentation to Afi.
Thank you for explanation from Daniel. Next slide, I can explain for flagging process. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Mat Nawi. Flagging process. Flagging process by bending over the edge of metal sheet using a flagging machine. The bend inch or crease a connection consisting of multi component. Flagging is done on the top and bottom edge of the can. The machine performs roller flagging operation through to control as a unit for flanks and then piece fixing operation. It performs also the pinching operation and further bending operation to stiffen on the flank. The width and radius of the flank determined by can manufacture the requirement for a proper body hook during the double seaming operation. Next, the next process, uh, bedding process. Bedding process can bodies could go through the bedding process. The strength of can body to adhere cater stress. The side of the sheet metal bend to the cavity of the die. The dimension and the numbers of rim bedding on the container depending on the application and dimension of the can. Thank you, my explanation. Next, to group mate is Muhammad Zarin bin Musa.
Okay, thank you, Afiq. So number 8 is seaming process. The seaming process is done by seaming machine. The process is end seam to the bottom of every can body to close one end. And the process is divided into two operations. First operation and second operation. The first operation is where the curved end is interlocked with the can body plate. The second operation compress or tightens the seams to achieve a double seam. Double seam quality is determined by measuring specific properties, which is characteristics depth, seam thickness, body hook, cover hook, overlap, and tightness. Okay, next is air tester. A vacuum air tester comes after a double seaming process. Every can is tested at each stage of the manufacturing process. In the final stage, the can body will pass through air tester. It has a simple operating principle for eliminating defective can, for example, cracked flange or cracked valve. Standard vacuum based on the can size is applied to the can, and those found faulty will be automatically rejected. The finished bodies are then transferred for the warehouse to be palletized and dispatched to the filling plant. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.